Hey everybody, Jared Allen with Bullybag and Tool Company here to showcase the Project Manager Roof Sales Starter Pack. Inside this one pack is the essential tools that every roof salesperson, project manager is going to need at the bare minimum in order to bring in that money and stay successful. And it was always kind of a bit of a strain how many different stores you had to run around to, whether you're shopping on Amazon or not, when's it going to get there. But this right here, it's all contained in one large Bullybag Z-Pack unit. So to open this up here, it comes with your AccuLines, flipboard, your sidebar, of course the Bullybag Ultra Pouch on a paddle clip, adjust grip tape measure, and the Hague shingle gauge, all contained within the one Bandit Z-Pack, which you of course get to use later on for putting your documents in, for putting your laptop, other items that you want to contain. So starting with the Bullybag Ultra Pouch on a paddle clip, 12 chambers in all, 1680 ballistic nylon. This is your high-speed, low-drag, efficient, effective project manager roof sales tool for carrying your chalk, your gloves, your shingle gauge, what have you. The starter pack does come complete with the gear retainer as well as the badge retainer for managing your items and keeping them from becoming a falling hazard. Of course, all comes complete on the paddle clip. Slides right on. Second item we're going to talk about is a shingle gauge. Depending on the carrier, that's going to require documentation, and of course, you know, you're trying to maximize the claim as much as possible. This is an essential tool that every project manager, roof salesperson is going to need. It's going to have to be in that Bullybag Ultra Pouch. Next is the pitch and slope indicator. Now this is an analog. I know there's some out there that are digital and you can use the app and what have you, but a lot of carriers won't accept that, and so the analog pitch indicator is what you have to use. Well, there it is right there. Comes right in your starter pack. The next item is the sidebar. I'm going to open this one up. So the sidebar is the ultimate inspection tool. This is a patented pry bar made for inspecting your layers. You can see there, inspecting layers, using the shingle gauge, and as well as taking siding samples or doing siding repairs. We do have a patent on this item, and it is an outstanding inspection tool. I think you will agree. Once you start to use it, you'll say, I don't want to use anything else. Next item that comes in the starter pack is the adjuster grip 25-foot tape measure. Outstanding tape measure. This really is. Double-sided with the numbers, oversized tip, magnetic tip as well. This is great because a lot of times whenever you go down and you're trying to measure that rake, you put the tape on the shingles on the edge of that eave, and it comes right off, right around 8 foot, just every single time. With the adjuster grip, you're not going to have that issue. A cantilever back for helping slide it on and off your belt, or you can put it right on your Ultra Pouch. And the last item, this is the AccuLines flipboard. This is a double-sided clipboard, one clip on the AccuLines side, one on the other side. This allows you the ability to draw straight lines without a ruler and make those interior sketches as detailed and straight as they can and should be. So the orange pouch, the orange Z-Pack, is made for containing all of these items, as well as items after you get in the field and you're running claims, signing up customers. You need places for your documents, you need places for maybe your laptop, other gear as well. And it's an outstanding product for that. This is, of course, the large one, and should be able to hold a significant amount of gear. So these tools all make up the Bullybag Starter Pack for project managers and roof sales to get out there and claim the storm.